Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your funds on Kraken easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your funds on Kraken, start by visiting the Kraken website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your device. Once logged in, go to the Funding tab located in the main menu. In the Funding section, look for the Withdraw option. Select the asset you want to withdraw from the drop-down menu. After selecting your asset, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, input your withdrawal address carefully. Ensure you have access to the wallet where you are sending the funds. Review all the details you've entered to avoid any mistakes. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed with the transaction. You may be prompted to complete a verification step, such as email confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation message and follow the instructions provided. Once verified, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Funding section. If you encounter any issues, visit the Support section for assistance. Follow the guidance provided by Kraken support to address any concerns. Your funds will be on their way to your specified wallet shortly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.